The newly appointed opposition spokesperson on foreign affairs, Hanna, has found herself in an embarrassing situation this evening. Ms. Hanna issued a statement today saying the St. Lucian ambassador to the Organization of American States was a victim of the Las Vegas shooting in the United States. But moments later, the Foreign Affairs Minister issued a statement saying that is not true and saying Ms. Hanna needs to act with caution. TVJ's Vashon Brown has the story.
It's a tale of two releases. First, the newly appointed opposition spokesperson on foreign affairs, Hanna, issues her very first statement since assuming the post, saying she's saddened by the tragic death of St. Lucian ambassador to the United States, His Excellency Anton Edmonds. Ms. Hanna said it is with regret that she learned that the ambassador had succumbed to the injuries sustained in the Las Vegas incident on Sunday night, which claimed the lives of 58 victims. The new Foreign Affairs spokesperson also said Ambassador Edmonds succumbed to his injuries yesterday following the shooting incident. Following Ms. Hanna's statement, the Foreign Affairs Ministry led by Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith issued a release cautioning against what it calls fake news. The ministry said it wanted to correct the information circulating that Ambassador Anton Edmonds was a victim of the Las Vegas tragedy. Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, in her statement, pointed out that the ambassador is alive and well. In fact, she also noted that the ambassador himself sought to correct the false report. In her statement, Mrs. Johnson-Smith also noted that the new opposition spokesperson should exercise caution and sensitivity in pronouncing on such matters and on matters generally associated with Jamaica's foreign policy and relations. She also extended regret to the people and government of St. Lucia for any distress caused by the statement attributed to the opposition spokesperson. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.